Welcome everybody. I don't have any speech prepared. I'm just gonna speak from the heart. I've been coming to Ghana for the past 10 plus years. A friend of mine, all my friends ask like, why Ghana, and I honestly can't explain it. A friend even once said like, either the Ghana government needs to recognize you or release you from whatever juju they put on you, because I'm always here, I'm always calling everybody, I'm always inviting my friends from all around the world to come visit. I have a deep love not just for Ghana, but the whole of Africa. And the goal for Bridge 54 is to connect all the 54 African countries through travel, cultural exchange, creative collaboration, and eventually also like commerce.